Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 5 Mathematics Olympiad. And in class 5 Mathematics Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to continue the chapter, that is decimal. Okay. So in the previous session, we have already solved some questions of this chapter, and in today's session, we are going to discuss some more questions of this chapter. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so let's get started. Our first question given 0.111 is approximately equal to 1 by 9. What is the approximate value of 0.777? Option A 5 by 9, B 7 by 9, C 2 by 9, D 1 by 9. So in the question it is given that 0.111 is approximately equal to 1 by 9. So what is the approximate value of 0.777? Okay. So the thing is, can we relate this 0.777 and 0.111? Yes, we can relate. So 0.777 is equal to 0.111 into 7. Right. And what is the value of 0.111? It is 1 by 9 into 7, that is equal to 7 by 9. So the correct answer is option B, that is 7 by 9. Okay. Coming to the next question. What is the cost of 30.5 liter of milk at the rate of rupees 750 per liter? Option A rupees 225.75, B rupees 223.75, C rupees 228.75, D rupees 232.75. So in the question it is given that what is the cost of 30.5 liter of milk. Okay, so the cost of 30.5 liter of the milk at the rate of 7.50 rupees. That means cost of 1 liter of milk, it is equal to 7 rupees 50 paisa. So 30.5 liter of milk, how can we find out? It is rupees 7.50 into 30.5. Okay. So when we calculate it, we will get the answer, that is rupees 228 and 75 paise. Okay. So the correct answer is, that is option C. Got it? So here the correct answer is option C. Right. Coming to the next question. The sum of two numbers is 31.021. If one of them is 11.56, find the other. Option A 19.461, B 17.461, C 18.641, D 19.561. So in the question it is given that sum of the two numbers, that is 31.021. Okay, and one of them is 11.56. We have to find the other. So suppose one of the, so how to find the other number? The other number, that is equal to 31.021 minus 11.56. Just we have to subtract them. Okay, and when we subtract them, then we will find that the answer will be 19.461. Okay, so here the correct answer is option A. Coming to the next question, what type of decimals are the following? 16.37, 18.97, 12.26 and 21.48. Option A, like decimal numbers. B, unlike decimal numbers. C, equivalent decimal numbers. D, estimated decimal numbers. So, here in all the numbers, after the decimal, two digits are there. That is tenth and 100. Here also two digits, here also. And in all the cases, same thing is happening. So we will call it as like decimal numbers. Okay. Yes. Coming to the next question. What is the value of 11.047 rounded off to the nearest tenth? Option A 11.0, B 11.1, C 11.2, D 12.04. So in the question it is given the value of 11.047 rounded off to the nearest 10. Okay. So 11.047, and what is nearest 10? This is the 10th place, right? So it is written 04. Okay, 047. So in the 100 place 4 is there, and we know 4 is less than 5. If the 100 place number that is less than 5, then this number will not change. Okay, so it will be 11.0 only, right? Okay, so if it is more than 5, the 100 place number, if it is more than 5, then we can change this 0 to 1. Otherwise, it will be 11.0. That's why the correct answer is option A, 11.0, right? Coming to the next question, what is the number obtained on rounding of 32.4 to the nearest ones? Option A 30, B 32, C 33, D 35. So in the question it is given what is the number obtained on rounding of 32.4 to the nearest ones. 32.4. So which is the ones place? This one, right? And after that, after the decimal, that is in the 10th place. 4 is there, and we know that 4, that is less than 5, right? So 4 is less than 5. That means this is not going to change. Okay. So this 4, as it is less than 5, so it will be 32 only. Okay. So correct answer is option B, that is the 32. Okay. Coming to the next question, which one of the following is the best estimate for 9.85 into 23.06? Okay, 9.85 into 23.099. Sorry. Option A 9 into 23, B 7 into B 9 into 24, C 10 into 23, D 10 into 24. So in the question it is given that which of the following is the best estimate for 9.85 and into 23.099. Okay, 9.85 into 23.099. So 9.85. So here after 0.8 is there, right? That is greater than 5. So we can write it as 10 into 23.099. After point, after decimal 0 is there, okay? And it is less than 5. So we can round off it up to 23. So the correct answer will be 10 into 23, which is present in option C. Got it? Coming to the next question, how many hundreds less than 5.47 is 5.07? Option A 40, B 500, C 4000, D 4. So in the question it is asked how many hundreds less than 5.47 is 5.07. Okay. So 5.47 minus 5.07. So it is 0.40. Okay, so 0.40, that means it is equal to 40 by 100. So how many hundreds are there? This is 40 hundred. Okay, so correct answer is option A, that is 40. Got it, everyone? Coming to the next question, what is the value of 7 by 8 rounded off to one decimal place? Option A 0.875, B 0.9, C 0.88, D 0.8. So in the question it is given that what is the value of 7 by 8 rounded off to one decimal place. Okay. So 7 by 8. So when we divide 7 by 8, it will be 0.875. Okay, so 0.875, it is the answer. Then we have to round off to one decimal place, means in the first decimal place. In the first place, that is in the 10th place, 8 is there, and in the 100th place, 7 is there. 7 is greater than 5, right? That's why it will be 0.9. Got it? So correct answer is option B, that is 0.9. Coming to the next question. 65 hundredths of a number is 130. What is the number? Option A 200, B 150, C 300, D 260. Okay. So 6500, that means 65 by 100 part of a number is equal to 130. So what is that number? So 1 part is equal to 130 into 100 by 65. So it is 2, that is equal to 2 into 100, 200. So what is that number? That number is 200, which is present in option A. Okay. So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay. So meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.